Alright, got one of them bad boys over here. Gonna go Harbor Freight, pick some shit up. Let's see what we got here. Probably should have activated the choke all the way. Only hit it halfway. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do in this video, it's gonna be again one of them, how cheap can you get some decent stuff at Harbor Freight. So taking big old brown with us and we'll see what we can get. There's a few things that I actually do need, but of course I'm gonna go through aisles and see if there is something that I must have for a few bucks. And I love going to Harbor Freight actually. I know lots of people hate on Harbor Freight, but there's nothing wrong with it. Yeah, they have some tools that you should stay away from. Most of them, pretty much, I would say anything cordless is kind of junk. Or even most of their electrical tools are not that great, but their hand tools are actually fairly decent, so I never really had any issues with their hand tools. So we'll see. Alright, catch you there. Yeah. Alright, shopping done. Don't you beep at me. Alright, so let me twist this back on. Boom. Alright, so we did the shopping. We got about, let's see. Oh, let's tone this down before YouTube always gets to us. So the total was right about 48 bucks. So what does $50 at Harbor Freight buy you? Well, let's see. Let's go one by one. We did use a couple coupons as usual, but you know, buy shit at Harbor Freight and use coupon, it's like disrespecting yourself. Alright guys, so what does 50 bucks buy you at Harbor Freight? So first of all, always needed one of those. It's a magnetic pickup tool that extends. The reason why I need something this big, just to give you an example how big it is I got gravel everywhere where I work, and if I had $1 for every time spent looking for my bolts on the gravel, I'd have many dollars. This will help out. And my dog, of course, will love to destroy my gravel. Yeah, crazies. Crazy, you're a crazy dog. Alright, enough. Alright, so that was one thing. By the way, we spent right about $48, but the girl at the store messed up and didn't use coupons properly. She used 20% coupon on what she wasn't supposed to use. So, well, oh well, not a big deal. Alright, so this bad boy, let me open this up real quick. I've actually been looking for one for a while, and Harbor Freight seems to just start carrying those. At least in my area, so pretty excited about it. So this is a 17-incher. Pretty cool. That will definitely get used a lot. And of course I got some sanding sheets. I think this was like $7 and sanding sheets were like $3 or something like that, and they come with 60, 320 and 500 grit paper. So that's really cool. Alright, let's see what we got next. This is actually one of the main reasons why I went to Harbor Freight for. So this is a titanium high-speed drill bits. I actually been using the crap out of the old ones. Those guys. Those are non-titanium, those are just whatever the metal is. So I'm hoping that this is even more durable. So, but we will see. It's supposed to be more durable, run cooler. I mean, for titanium, they're sure as shit heavy. But I also didn't have anything this big, so boom, perfect. Alright, bag done. Headlamp. This is actually a LED one, unlike the old ones that they used to give away for free, because those were actual regular bulbs and they were horrible. Matter of fact, since we got this one, garbage. Put that one in there. Those are for emergency only. So I actually like my Craftsman and Energizer bulbs, that lamps that I usually use. So the test light is something that I actually need for one of my car toolboxes, just to always have, since I already have several different ones. This is just the one to use when you're on the go. So I think they're on like $3 or something like that. Alright. Some gloves. Those are good for yard work. I think they were like $2. And those were like $7. And I actually just needed the little guy over here, but since they come with two more for $7, I mean, that's how much you're literally gonna spend for one, like Irvin brand one. And again, something this small, it's not like you're gonna put tons of pressure on it ever. So here's those little guys. So those are pretty cool. Alright, we're almost to the end. And then the main thing what I went to Harbor Freight for is actually I just need a 10mm magnetic one, since my 10mm is missing. But they sell them in 3-packs, so oh well, I have some spare ones. But yeah, 3mm is what I wanted. So those are actually slightly longer than the one I have. And I think I'm not even sure the same brand, because see, those are shiny and this is not. But 10mm is 10mm. Yeah, it's definitely longer. But I'm not gonna complain. Magnetic, it's 10mm. Good enough for who it is, right? Yeah. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's what $50, or not 50, $48 worth of Harbor Freight tools buy you. So yeah, $48.92. And here's the prices so you guys can see. $2.50 for the sandpaper, $8 for the sander, $8 for the magnet tool, or the titanium drill bits. See, the coupon was actually $13.99, so technically you should have used coupon on that and used 20% off another one, so should have charged me like $3-4, but not a big deal. Hand lamp $0, lock and pliers $7, glass $1.50, circuit tester $4, and metric knot setter $1.99. Yeah, so I think that's it. Alright guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I try to upload videos weekly. That's weird the way I pronounce it. Alright, hit thumbs up if you like the video. If you hate Harbor Freight tools, hit thumbs down. But you know, I try to do my best for you guys. Alright guys, take care and have a good day.